Welcome back to the channel. Just a little update on where I'm at on the kitchen on this house that I've been working on. So stay tuned. Alright, so this is where I got to so far. I got a couple cabinets in. I got this top made, put in. They're not sure what they're going to do with this exactly. They might paint it, they might not. This might have stone on it along with the countertops. Don't know that this is going to stay. It might get cut off here and here. There's a downdraft range that goes here. So that might be in the way. Don't know yet. So that's going to stay right there for now. I got those cabinets in. Excuse me. Got the sink pulled out 1.5 inches. This is going to be a dishwasher. The corner cabinets, a pantry, and where the refrigerator goes. Side panel. Yeah, moving right along. The goal is to get all the lowers in so they can get the stone cut and installed. So my next step is put the bar in that's going all the way across here. So all this stuff has got to get moved out of here. And then we can put the cabinets in. So that's where we're at. So that's the next. Well, I got the area cleared out. So I'm getting ready to put these cabinets in. Got a little peninsula and all that good stuff. I moved my operation out to the garage. We're all out here now. Shop is set up. Alright, back to work. Well, I got all the lowers put in now. These are all in and attached. All I have left to do is there's 2 posts. One's going to go like right there, and another one's going to go right there. It's going to have a top that floats out to it, and it's going to have an apron around it. But yeah, we're pretty much done with this. Got that all in. This is going to be a beverage refrigerator. So got the heat cut in. I got base to put across the face of this. It'll come across this and across this. It'll come across the front there, and it'll hide that little bit of ductwork there. So yeah, we're moving right along. Got all the bases in, so now they can measure for countertops anyhow. Yeah, she's getting there, little by little. Well, I got the posts in. That was fun trying to put those in by myself. They're screwed to the floor. They ain't moving. Yeah, that was pretty tricky to get them in there. Now I'm going to put an apron that attaches the cabinet to the post, and then this post to that post, and then that post to the cabinet again. It's going to be stepped back about 1/8 inch off of this space and off of this space, and same over here. So, and these are the pieces. I got to rip them down because the print says 2.5 inch, and these are 3. So I got to rip them down to 2.5 inch so you don't bang your knees on it when scooting a chair in. But that's where I'm at right now. Now I'm going to put the apron on, and I'll check back with you after. Well, I got the apron set, cut and installed. Turned out pretty good. I should be able to hold all that. Don't look too bad. Well, that's about all I have for you. Hope you enjoyed this one. We'll see you on the next one.